All right, our next one we're gonna look at is the barbell snatch, which is essentially taking the bar from the ground all the way up overhead, receive in a deep squat with arms extended in one solid fluid motion. First thing, to set this up, you wanna grab the bar with a wide grip, wider than shoulder width apart, and it should land right at the crease of your hips. To test this, give a little march, and if you're hitting the bar with the top of the quads, you're in the right position, kind of where that belt buckle position goes. Next thing is the feet. They are hip width apart to begin. With a flat back, we're gonna drive the hips backwards as you're lowering the knees until the bar clears just below the knees. We've got shoulders over the hips, hips over the knees, and the shins are slightly forward of perpendicular. From here, as we shrug up, driving through the floor, catching in a deep overhead squat, standing up, receiving in that squat, standing, the feet will jump from hip width to shoulder width apart. Let's look at one more full speed, and then we'll break it down. Coming down, just below the knees, load up, drive, catch it in your squat, stand up to finish. So to break this down, as we drive the hips back, that first position was your shrug up, scooping in the hips, driving vertically with a shrug. From below the knees, drive up. From here, the magic starts to happen as we pull the bar up vertically, using the shoulders, creating that momentum to drive your body under the bar, receiving that bar in the overhead squat as the legs jump out wide, standing up. So athletes, let's get those bars and try it out. Chad, you've got yours loaded. Looking over here. We're gonna start you off with this bar. Since it's your first time here. All right, let's take the arms wide. There you go. Chad, go ahead and get started with yours. Yeah, looks like great positioning right there. Next thing is feet hip width apart. Now as you drive your knees back, you're gonna bend your knees down. You're keeping your spine nice and flat. Bar moves to the right below the knees. There you go. Let's get started. We're just gonna practice a shrug. Lifting up, scooping the hips forward. Scoop that bar into your hips as you stand up. Powerful stand drive. Good. Make sure your arms stay locked out and straight. Bar is as close to your body as possible. Let's try again. Scoop it up. Good. You've got that nice shoulder shrug, vertical motion. Okay, you're gonna go ahead and try the full snatch. Starting at the bottom. Drive it up. Catch it as you chop your feet out, arms locked out at the top and wide. Nice. There you go. And stay. Keep working on that, Chad. Let's see what you got.